Hi friends, this is Kapil and welcome to my channel. Today I have a very special product for you, and before showing you the product, let me tell you the idea behind it. I personally like to go for long highway trips and I feel comfortable in my vehicle. The only glitch is my left hand. It is not at rest. So I have decided to install an armrest in my vehicle. And yes my friend, tada, this is the product over here. This says Universal Luxury Armrest. Let me open it for you. Wow. This is the actual product. This is good. It has a cup holder and an ashtray which is removable. That's good. And this is definitely openable, and see, it has carpet over here so that your things will not rattle. This is good. And yes, the slides. I think this is a good product. The best thing is this one, the carpet. The things whichever you put won't rattle inside it. This is nice. This is a touch. And this is the base of the armrest, which is movable basically, both sides. And this is the reason for what I have purchased this one, because my car, which is Ford Aspire, has a wider central tunnel. So this one fits in there. And I also tried this armrest before, which was not able to fit in there.
So then I have assembled the armrest together. Now straight away let's fix it in the place. So before fixing it, we have to push both the seats forward to the furthest point. One thing is worth noticing is we have holes over here, and I have drilled these 6 holes for myself either side. So in these holes we'll tight these screws. Finally, I have mounted the armrest at its place, and it is at a sufficient height. We can use gear lever properly, no issues with operating handbrake itself. So then, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, place them in comment box. Links to purchase the product are in the description box. I'll be keep bringing more such videos for you. Till then, subscribe to my channel, and let's see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.